in the fence row habitat in the back of the Perimeter Outdoor Learning Center. We can see we've got corn still behind us back here. We are checking traps for white-footed mice again. And I just wanted to show you about some of the other data that we collect. So we do get a measurement with this Pasola scale for weight on the bag. And then we'll weigh the bag with the mouse in it. We'll weigh the bag with the mouse out of it. And we subtract the two and we have the weight of the mouse. This one is also already ear tagged for us, so it's already been marked. We also did collect a small little tip of tissue from its tail, which has healed really, really nicely. And we've also collected a small blood sample as well from the tail clip as well. That way we can test for Borrelia, we can test for Lyme disease, and using the tail tip sample, the tissue from the mouse, we can also confirm that it's a white-footed mouse genetically in the laboratory. But we also collect a lot of other data because we can look demographically at the populations as well. So we also get like body length. We use the ruler and I look, because I'm left-handed, I look across to the metric, and this one is maybe about 88 millimeters long. We get tail length, and this one's about 69 millimeters long. We do that because those measurements can also help us to differentiate between the white-footed mouse, Peromyscus leucopus, and the deer mouse, Peromyscus maniculatus. That is actually a grassland species. So we can also use data from the field to see how well that matches up with the genetic data that we find out when we look to confirm their species identity in the laboratory. But we'll also do hind foot length, again, measurements. This one's about 18. We do the ear length as well. This one is 13. And then we do a few other things as well. We're really interested in the male versus female sex ratios in the population. That can tell us a lot about reproduction. This one is a male. And then we also want to, using weight and also the color of their pelage, that gives us an idea of how old they are. And so there's a few different developmental stages. This is brown pelage, you can see on the dorsal side right here. And that also gives us an idea that this one is an adult. The pups are gray, then they molt from gray to brown as subadults, and then as adults they're brown. And even the older mice are almost a reddish brown in the field. So we collect some other information as well, and then we let the mice go. So this is live trapping. So when we check the traps, we come out first thing in the morning, like we are out here today in the summer, and check the traps quickly, and then make sure that we can collect our data quickly, and then release the mice until the next time. So we're gonna let this one go. Thank you. Messed up your hair a little bit there.